morning, everybody. Welcome. I am currently at Walgreens ready to walk inside, and I'm hoping it's going to be a great week. I have a lot of register rewards that I have to burn. Like, it's ridiculous how much register rewards we have been getting this week. So what I'm going to do is go inside, walk through the deals with you. Now, I do walk through more deals with you than what I actually purchase, and then at the end of the video I do my haul, any problems that I had, yada yada yada. And then I also have a printable breakdown for you guys to do also, so if you need whatever works for you. But yes, I'm ready to go shopping, so let's go inside. We have the Dial Hypoallergenic body wash. It says it's 2 for $8. This is an all-month sale for 2 for $8, but it's 2 for $7. You want to use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll end up getting these for $4, but then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta times 2, so you'll get $3 back with Ibotta, making your final price for these just $1.50 a piece. Make sure to check through your store. My store has these Revlon Total Color on clearance for 80 cents. They have this one, that one, and it looks like they're a dark brown, a natural brown, and a light natural brown. The Garnier Fructis and also the whole blends are on sale for 2 for $7. Now these are 2 different digital coupons, but we do have 3 off of 2 digital coupons for the Garnier Fructis and also for the whole blends, making them $4 or just $2 a piece. Here we have the Crest Toothpaste on sale for $4. We also have the toothbrushes on sale for $4. You want to use the 5 off of 3 digital coupon that is in the Walgreens app. You'll end up paying $7 for 3 of them, but then you will get a $5 register reward, making them just $2 or 66 cents a piece. Here we have the Crest Gum Restore, and then we also have the Crest Brilliance. They're on sale for $6.99. What you want to do is we have a $2 off coupon for the Gum Restore. We also have a $2 off digital coupon for the Brilliance. And then you also want to use a $2 off insert coupon from our P&G. You'll end up paying $14.97, but you will receive a $5 register reward. And you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you can get $3 times 2 on one of the toothpaste and $3 on the other one, making your final price just 97 cents or 32 cents a piece. We have the Colgate Toothpaste on sale for $2.99. We currently have a 4 off of 3 digital coupon that you want to use. You'll end up paying $4.97, but then you'll get a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of them, making them absolutely free or a 3-cent moneymaker. Here we have the Poise Pads. They are on sale for $5.99. We do have a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, plus there is a $3 off digital coupon that you'd want to use, making your final price just 99 cents, and you can submit your receipt to fetch rewards and get points too. Here we have the Depend silhouettes on sale for $5.99. There's also a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and then there is a $3 off digital coupon, making your final price just 99 cents. Here we have the Purina Benefil dog food on sale for $5.99. We do have a $5.99 off a 2 digital coupon that you want to use. You'll end up paying $5.99 or just $2.99 a piece. Here we have the Tide Simply on sale for 3 for $9. You'll end up paying $9. I did check, there is no digital, so you'll pay $9, but you will get a $3 register reward when you buy 3, making them $6 or just $2 a piece. Here we have the All or the Snuggle for $2.88. We do have a $1 off digital coupon, making it just $1.88. Here we have the Bic Razors for $6.49. We did get some $4 insert coupons, plus we have a $4 off digital coupon. You'll end up paying $4.98, but then you get a $5 register reward when you buy 2, making these absolutely for free. Here we have a Venus razor for $9.99. There's currently a $4 off digital coupon that you'll want to use. You'll end up paying $5.99, but you will get a $4 register reward when you purchase this one, making it just $1.99. We have the Scott's paper towels. We also have the Scott's toilet paper for $5, and then we also have the Kleenex for $5. There's currently a $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making it $3.75. There's also 50-cent printable coupons if you want on the Scott brand or Kleenex website that you can print, making them $3.25. We have the Kellogg's cereal on sale for $1.88. We do have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you want to use. You end up just paying $2.76 or $1.38 a piece. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. I just went to Walgreens and I did have some problems, but everything turned out to be fine. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, one thing I did learn, and I did not know this, but when you get the register rewards, you get some that say manufacturer coupon, and then you get some that say store coupon. When it's a store coupon register reward, it says it on the it says it on your receipt, like 4 off of 4. I found out you can only use one of those per transaction if I'm correct. But you can use as many of the manufacturer register rewards. So I had a ton of register rewards I had to burn. So I ended up making some stuff that I needed, and only one of the store coupon would work. And I'm like, that's fine, you know, I'm learning. So if you guys do read that, some of these do say store coupon and some of these say manufacturer coupon. So just giving you guys a heads up, but it's only one store coupon per transaction. So I did have a hiccup on a couple things, but I will share with you on that. So I ended up getting the Poise and the Depends. These are $5.99. We do have some $3 off digital coupons. Plus there is $2 off coupons in the Walgreens booklet. You will get these for 99 cents, and you can submit your receipt to fetch rewards and you get points for this. There are some other digitals in there. There's a $2 off. I had a 5 off of 3, but I did unclip those because I didn't want those. So make sure you figure out what you want. Sometimes when you do unclip those coupons, they come right back. It says it doesn't, but they come right back from what I've noticed. So I did that. They had some hair dye on clearance for 80 cents. 80 cents. I thought, you know what, I'll try it. I've been trying to dye, I dye my hair, you know, every once in a while, and I have yet to try this stuff. So for 80 cents, I will totally get that. So maybe check your store. I don't know if they're getting rid of it or just changing the front of it. I don't know. But here's a cool deal that you guys can do. It is the Bic Razors. Now these were $6.49. They had a $4 off digital, plus I had a $4 off insert coupon. You would pay $4.98 for the both of these, but this is the only register reward that did print off. I got a $4 or $5 register reward, making these absolutely free if you guys want to do that. But yeah, my Crest, none of the register rewards printed off. My Colgate, none of the register rewards printed off. She did something where she kind of can do something and nothing. So if you're having problems, just giving you guys a heads up with that. So I ended up getting the Colgate Toothpaste. These were $2.99. I had a 4 off of 3 digital coupon, making them $4.97. But then I used a $5 register reward, making these absolutely free. So she gave me the points for that. So in case you guys need to go ahead and do that. I did the toothpaste or the toothbrush deal. Now I did this in a separate transaction, and the register reward still did not print off. It was weird. So I ended up getting these toothbrushes. These were $4 a piece. I had a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that I used, so you would end up paying $7 for this, but then you're supposed to get a $5 register reward, making them $2 or just 66 cents a piece. I'm like, I got too much toothpaste, so I'm totally cool with paying 66 cents a piece for that, but I did not get the register reward printed off, so it's kind of weird. Some stuff's working and some is not. Now here's another deal that you guys can do. It is the Gum Restore or the 3D Brilliance. Now, you can mix and match. I had a $2 off digital for this one, and I had one $2 off digital for this one, but I ended up using a $2 insert coupon that we got from our P&G last week. So all 3 of these are $6.99. You want to use those 3 $2 off coupons. You'll end up paying $14.97, but you'll get $3, $3, and $3 back with Ibotta and you're supposed to get a $5 registry reward. Like I said, it did not print. So it comes out to be just 97 cents or 32 cents a piece. Now, usually I say you shouldn't pay for toothpaste. This is the specialty stuff. I'm pretty excited to use this stuff. This is the stuff that I actually like using instead of, like, you know, the stuff that we get constantly. But everybody is different. But I just wanted to share with you on that deal. And then this is the last item that I got. I ended up getting the Dial body wash. Now these were 2 for $7. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that I used. $4 would be the price you pay, but then there is a $1.50 and a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1 or 50 cents a piece. So that is a great deal. So yeah, it wasn't big, but I did do a lot more deals for the walkthrough. I just don't need to buy all that stuff, you know, just to do a video like I used to. So that is the reason why I've been doing what I'm doing. So anyways, my total, now I do pay with some registry rewards and I do pay with points, but when I tell you my total, that is, those are not factored in. I take those off. So my total was $32.33. I ended up getting $5.44 points back, or cash rewards. There's a fire truck going by. I had it where if I spent so much, I got $5 cash reward. So I got $5.44 back. I was supposed to get $20 back in registry rewards, but I only received the 5. But she did give me $15 in points to make up for the 3 registry rewards, which is totally fine because I am swimming in registry rewards right now. Like, I can't keep up, so I'm totally fine with the 5s, or with cash. And then with Ibotta, I did receive $12 back. I received $9 back for the Crest deal, and then I received $3 back for the Dial deal, making my total just $5.11 moneymaker. I got everything absolutely for free, and I made a profit, which I'm pretty excited for. I have to submit my receipt to a couple websites, but everything turned out fine. Just the minus the thing that wasn't working very well. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's citywide, but the system froze on me a couple times, and she's like, yeah, don't worry about it. This thing is constantly happening. Like, it just takes forever for the digitals to come off, and then it's just crazy. But anyways, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the printable breakdown if you guys need to do that, and I will see you guys all next week Sunday. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.